Mourners have filed through the Charles H. Wright Museum of African American History during 2 days of public viewings before the funeral in Detroit.
And Aretha, she was an icon. She was well respected around the world. And we're gonna miss her a great deal.
Paying their respects to U.S. music legend Aretha Franklin, the Queen of Soul who lost her life to pancreatic cancer on August 16th at age 76.
Mixed emotions, and it was sad. It was sad. She's such a great lady, and she's so talented. And there she was. It touched me deeply.
Franklin sang at former President Barack Obama's 2009 inauguration, as well as at civil rights icon Rosa Parks' funeral, held in the same Detroit church. Franklin did not see herself at the forefront of the civil or women's rights movements, yet she still made an impact. When she popularized Otis Redding's song Respect, she said she was urging respect of all people, including women, people of color, and children.
But what I see most was respect, and that's something that's like a moniker attached to Aretha, respect.
Former U.S. President Bill Clinton, singer Smokey Robinson, and actress Cicely Tyson are scheduled to speak at her funeral. Performers including Stevie Wonder, Chaka Khan, Jennifer Hudson, Faith Hill, Ariana Grande, and Fantasia will sing, as well as Franklin's son, Edward. Franklin will be laid to rest in the same Detroit cemetery as Rosa Parks. Jill Craig, VOA News, Washington.